Introduction. The goals that never happen. How many incomplete goals do you currently have on your agenda? If you're anything like the vast majority of us, then chances are that you have hundreds of projects that you started and never completed, countless goals that you told your friends but never saw through, and all kinds of dreams that seem to be getting less and less likely to come to fruition. And it's for this reason that you may find people roll their eyes when you tell them your next big project. When you start a new training program to lose weight and everyone, including you, knows that you're likely to have lost interest by month 2. Or when you talk about the app you intend to make, the website, or the business project. Or when you talk about that dream trip to Japan. This is the way of things for many of us. We work incredibly hard at things we don't feel passionately about just to put food on the table. But when it comes to fulfilling our dreams, we are remarkably ineffective. It's time to change all that and to start making those goals happen. But how can you turn it all around? How we're going to fix your goal setting and help you to start living the life of your dreams. Accomplishing goals is about strategy. It is about making a cognitive shift to change the way you're thinking. And it's about being smart about how you approach each goal. It's also about knowing how to choose your goals and even how to phrase them. This video course is going to show you how to make those changes. You'll learn how to choose and write goals effectively, how to write effective action plans, and how to make sure you stick with your goals and never give up. But this video course is going to be a little different than most goal-setting video courses, too. After we've given you the broad tools you need to start setting and accomplishing your goals, we're then going to take a look at how you can begin to put them into practice. Because while a goal can be pretty much anything, for many of us they're going to fall into one of a few different categories. Most of us have goals for our relationships, goals for our fitness, goals for our careers, and goals for travel. We're going to provide not only the abstract strategies you need to start making effective goals then, but also the step-by-step processes that will let you apply these strategies in each of these areas. By the end of this video course, you'll be adept at setting and accomplishing any goal, and at the same time, you'll have powerful strategies for improving your relationships, your fitness, your career, and more. Ready to change your life?